Fairy Rainbow. Hello everyone and welcome to Fairy Rainbow. Today we are going to draw and color a cute miniature house. Let's draw and color together. First, I'm drawing the roof. I love drawing and coloring houses so much. Please try to draw this house with me. Now I'm drawing the walls of the house. Let's draw the bathroom first. I'm drawing a bathtub here. Here is a sink. And the mirror on the sink. Now I draw a toilet. I love miniature houses. Let's draw the floor. Let's draw the bedroom. I draw the dresser first. And here is a lamp. I'm drawing the bed. There is a window on the bed. Do you love to play with houses? I'm drawing the living room. Let's draw the TV. I'm drawing a sofa here. And the floor lamp behind the sofa. Now let's draw the kitchen. First, I'm drawing the fridge. And I'm drawing the cupboard. Here is a sink. Let's draw a pot. Let's draw the chairs and the table. And here is a lamp. Finally, I'm drawing a garage. There is a car inside. Let's draw the sun for this beautiful day. I'm going to use this black marker to make our drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Yellow. Orange. Green. Yellow. Brown. Gray. Yellow. Green. Light blue. Aquamarine. Orange. Red. Light blue. Brown. Red. aquamarine, yellow, pink, yellow, green, purple, orange, pink, red, green, brown, yellow, red, light blue, yellow, red, purple, yellow, red, aquamarine, blue, orange, green, amazing. And now, fairy rainbow. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.